Okay, I like the way Lolly's ready with her application problem. It was the one with Jesus walking his puppy or taking his puppy outside
To go potty.
Okay. And what page did we determine that was on?
56.
56 or 57? 57. Nice job. I see all of red tables there.
No. How are the time?
All of orange table is there. Good job. We're just going to leave those, Louise, for right now. Right up, just put them back at the very top of your desk. Okay, we're going to take a look at this task. I'm going to read it, you're going to read it, we're going to snap read it, you're going to partner read it. We're going to talk about what it's asking us. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, your finger should be on Jesus. Okay. Now I have added one section to mine that is not on yours. So you can tell me what that is when we get finished. Your finger should be on Jesus. Okay, I like the way Destiny's ready. Okay. Jesus needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour to potty train him. Draw a clock diagram to model how often Jesus lets his puppy outside. Draw and label a number line from 0 to 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour. Okay, let's read that together. I want you thinking about what I have on my application problem that you don't have, and what this is asking us to do. Everybody ready to read together? Coralie, ready? Jesus needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour to potty train him. Draw and label a number line from 0 to 1 hour to show every 4th hour. Is that what it says on yours? Okay, what every 1/4 hour? What's on mine that's not on yours? Nia?
A clock.
The clock diagram. Thumbs up if you feel confident to model a clock diagram. Okay, what are we going to do first? The clock diagram or the number line?
Number line.
Oh. What are we going to do first? The clock diagram or the number line? Clock diagram. What I would like you to do, we're going to snap read this real quick. Your pencil should be down. We're going to snap read this, and then you're going to read it one more time with your shoulder partner. Okay, Matai, do you need to put that away?
No.
Thank you. Can you turn to page 57? And that won't be, those shouldn't be out. Thank you. Okay, everybody ready? Okay, so we're going to snap read, then you're going to read with your partner. Everyone have their finger on Jesus? Okay, Jesus needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour to potty train him. Draw, and we're going to scoot down to the draw and label. Draw and label a number line from 0 to 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour. Okay, and then we're going to read the clock diagram one together one more time. Ready? Look up on the board. Draw a clock diagram to model how often Jesus lets his puppy outside. Can you please turn to your shoulder partner? And you can pick how you're going to read your label. Everybody ready? Okay, begin. Go. Here we go. Someone start. Short hair, long hair. Matai, start please.
Jesus needs to let his puppy every quarter hour to potty train.
Okay, then stop. Let your partner.
Draw and label a number line from 0 hours to 1 hour to show
Sit up
every
slowly
1/4
so you can hear him. Who's reading? Okay, now you guys need to read.
No.
Okay, go.
Oh, no. On the dog draws
Okay, class.
Yes.
Everyone have a chance to read?
Yes.
Who did not have a chance? Do you want me to? Who read? You read just half?
No.
Okay, do you need?
To here.
Okay, do you need more time?
Yeah.
Okay, 30 more seconds. If you've already read, read it again. Go. Okay, no, I don't want you to snap reading. You would read a sentence and he could read a sentence. Who's reading first? Okay, go.
Susan needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour to potty train him. Draw and label. Draw and label number line from 0 hours to 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour.
Okay, class.
Yes.
Okay. Who feels like they know what they're supposed to do and they have a plan to they have something to draw at this point? Okay, using the read, draw, and rate. We just read, and read again. Hopefully you have an idea in your mind what you're going to draw first. Now, it's a little bit different because your task and my task is a little different. I'm going to put a little star right here about what I would like you to do first, just because ours are a little different. My fault. Okay, so I would like you to, let's read this one more time. Draw a clock diagram to model how often Jesus left his puppy outside. Are we ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay, you have 5 minutes. Go. You can talk with your shoulder partner.
Do we have to draw a clock? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so did you start this? Was that from yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have to
Make sure it's all the way back.
Okay. Let's go ahead and erase that, and we're going to start off by drawing our clock diagram. Gustavo, you have 5 minutes. Your pencil should be moving. What is it? What is the star by? Talk to your partner about what the star is by that you should be doing first.
Yeah, we have to draw a clock diagram.
Okay. So if you're going to draw a clock, what are you going to draw first? Okay. So what are we going to draw? What shape is a clock? Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Talk with your partner about an easy way to label that clock. Oh. Think about an easy way. What's an easy way to label that clock? Awesome. Good job. Tell your partner. Do you guys remember? Oh, good job. Very nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, you don't need your clock. If you get stuck, is there a reference in our classroom you could use?
Yes.
Yeah, a big one, right? Okay. Okay, so once we have our 12, 6, 9, and 3, yeah, then what goes in the middle? Well, you don't have to do the minute. We're just going to be focusing on the hour hands for right now. Okay, so if his puppy went outside every quarter hour, how could we divide our clock? What are we going to try and divide our clock into, Destiny? And how do you know it's fourths?
Because it says 1/4.
Oh, hour. It says 1/4 of an hour, and up here, what's another word? What's another synonym we could use for 1/4?
Quarter.
Quarter. So can you show me what that's going to look like? Awesome. Good job. And then are we going to label that? And then be thinking. So when is he going to let his puppy outside? He's going to let him outside. What? No, we don't need that one. Okay, awesome. Okay, I see some nice clocks. You might want to go back to your problem to find out how many pieces we're going to label. We're going to partition that clock into. Xavier? Okay. How do you know it's 1/4?
It says 1 hour to show every 1/4 hour.
Okay. All right. So can you go ahead and label that clock for me? Partition that? Okay. Remember we're starting on that. Remember where our arrow needs to go. Where are we starting? Would he start at 12 o'clock? Would he start at 12 and go to 9? Or would he start at 12 and go to 3? Okay. So we want to label these. Okay, let's see. Okay, have you partitioned your clock?
Oh, yeah, I have to make it into words.
Okay, be thinking about partitioning your clock.
I just remembered because when we did that.
Great job. So you've read, you've drawn the clock. How about the number line? Can you show me a number line showing a 0 and a hole?
Oh, like the one that we did.
Exactly. Okay, very nice. Good job. Are you working on your number line part now? Okay. Okay, I see some great clocks partition. Some of you have moved on to the number line. So as soon as you finish the clock diagram, we need to move on to our number line. Very nice. Can you label those parts for me? Oh, awesome. Can you label it another way too? What else? These are 15-minute increments because there's 4 quarters in the hour. What else do we call a quarter? 1/4. 1/4. Good job. Nice thinking. Okay, can you label that for me? Okay. Okay, can we label that clock and then we need to move on to our number line. So we're gonna partition it into how many pieces?
I'm done with it.
You have your number line?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you shade in part and show me a fraction bond, a number bond using your fractions? Perfect. Good job. Okay, fist to 5. How many minutes do we need for our number line and our clock? 2? 1? No, we don't have 5. Not 0? Okay, let's compromise and go 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay, you need to partition this into how many pieces? 4s. Okay, we need to label before you draw your number line. Label. How many equal pieces are you going to divide that? How many equal pieces? Look right here. There you go. Good job. Love it. Perfect. Good job. Could you shade part of that in and show me a number bond that would go with your fraction? Can you shade part of that in?
Can I shade 2?
You could shade however many you like. Good job. Did this number line not work out for you? It's 2. Oh, you're using your fraction pieces to help you out with that? What's going to be easier to work with, a little teeny clock or a big one? A big one. Yeah, the bigger your circle is, the easier it's going to be for you to write those numbers inside. Nice number line. How many pieces are we dividing our number line into?
4.
Lucero, how many sections? How many equal partitions? How many? Okay. So how many pieces do you have your number line divided into? Oh, are you doing a lot of work? Are you doing too much work? Uh-oh. Okay, where's your clock?
You do too much work. I don't.
You do it small. Okay, let's try and draw it a little bit larger.
Can I make it smaller?
Okay, class?
Yes. I already know.
Okay, we are going to take a pause right here. I see some amazing thinking in your notebooks. We're going to transfer that thinking from our notebooks. Oh, I'll wait. Thank you for tracking. We're going to transfer that thinking from your notebook onto a window in your group. So you can pick if you're more comfortable drawing drawing the clock diagram, if you're more comfortable drawing your number line, you pick which one, and you can use your part of your window to draw whatever you're most comfortable with and you would like to share out. Also be thinking about a spokesman for your team, okay? All right. Okay, first of all, have in your mind which one of those you're going to use. Take a look at your notebook. No, take a look at your notebook. Okay, I love this one. Yeah. Okay. Great number line. Good job. He's doing the clock. Okay, who's right here?
David, I'm doing the number line.
It's okay. We can have more than one. Can you stand up right here?
I'm doing the clock. She's doing the number line. That was part of the plan.
Yes, sir.
And I'm doing the bun like this.
You can do it.
draw 1/4 and you're not shading.
Do you want to just take your notebook with you? Because it's that same problem. It's the same one. No, just get a new one. Matai, where are you? Where are you working? Just stand right here. Hurry, quickly. Okay, about 3 minutes to get your thinking from your notebook Oh, class?
Yes.
Okay, 3 minutes to get your thinking from your notebook onto your window. 3 minutes. Okay, so you guys.
You can write right here in your notebook. Fine, gee, I'm trying to use it. Just move that right there. Need my notebook.
Find your half, and then half again if you want those to be equal. Very nice. Okay, and how many fourths is it? 0 fourths? What's this?
1/4,
2 fourths, 3 fourths, and then you have one more, so you can erase, you could shorten that, right? Very nice. Okay, so where's your half? Where, if you half the number line, right in half, where would that be? About right there? Okay, can you go ahead and put that? And remember Gustavo's half and half again? So if you half this and you halved it again, yes. How's your clock?
Good.
Good? Okay, what do you have right here? 1. Oh, what's that? It's 4. You're gonna draw your clock. You can stand up to draw that. Daniel, get busy, honey. Okay, make sure you label. You need your clock model labeled and your number line labeled. Nice job. Okay, so I see that is this when he went to walk the dog? So what time would you guess he walked the dog? According to how you partition this.
Oh,
You know, well, where is this line pointing to? Which hour? 3 o'clock?
6.
Again at 6 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
Again at 9 o'clock? Oh, so how many times altogether did he walk his dog?
Oh, so there was
Wait, how many times altogether? He walked his dog 12 times? How many times did he have to? Or actually take it outside to potty train? Just one time? Like read what it says. He needs, let's read it. He needs to let his puppy outside every quarter hour. Is this a quarter hour? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write a sentence that says how many times he let his dog out. Nice number bond. Okay, I see some nice number bonds as well. If you're finished, you can add a number bond to your window.
5 times.
What is this? I'm coming. What is this part right here? What are each of these parts?
Okay, so
1/4. Can you label those? So when did he take his dog outside to potty train?
on 3 o'clock.
And when did he take it again? Because he said he had to take it every quarter hour.
So it's 3, 6 o'clock.
And when else?
And 9 o'clock.
And
3.
oh, but look how many times is that? 1, 2, 3.
4.
So
3, 6.
3 o'clock?
4 o'clock.
No, 3 o'clock.
What?
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And
I know. She said do what you did on your notebook.
okay, how about a number bun? You're done.
This is what I did on my
Okay.
Oh, number bun. Okay.
Watch behind you.
I know. This is what I did. Because I
Jesus lets his dog out for 6 hours. Oh, well, well, you add all those together, right? You added all these quarters together and they equaled 60 minutes. How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
60. Yeah. So did he walk his dog? Did he take his dog to go outside to go potty for 6 hours?
6 minutes.
What could you draw to show some evidence of that?
A dog outside.
Could you draw or take a look at Matai's clock? Okay, boys and girls, 1 more minute. Awesome. Good job.
How do you
Okay, so how many times did he take his dog outside?
6 minutes.
How many times? It said that he took his dog out every quarter hour. So look at 1 time, 2 times, 3 times.
Why not?
4 times. Can you write that in a sentence? How many times did he take his dog out? So what makes a whole? 1/4 and 3/4. Good job. 2/4 and 2/4. Okay, can we go have a seat?
Do you know how you said 60?
Okay, class? Okay, we need to put our math notebooks away. You need to have just your windows out. Please talk with your team about who would like to come up as a spokesperson to share. No, talk to your team. Quickly, you need to be back in your seat. Okay, you could just tuck that back inside, okay? It's okay, it's all right. We're gonna have just maybe 2. Okay, put this away quickly. Okay, and 5, 4, 3. Notebooks back inside your desk. 4. Oh, I started counting back up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, and 1. I like the way red table's ready.
I want to share.
That can go back inside your desk.
Can I pick a spokesperson?
You decide.
You said last time Xavier.
Okay, the only table that I see is ready, red table. I see Mary and Luisa ready. Can you put it flat on your desk? Thank you.
All right, we'll vote.